Hey guys, I just wanted to wish you a happy spring break. We have spring break today and Friday, so you will notice that your assignments are a little lighter this week, just so that you can actually take 2 days to disconnect from your computer, go outside and enjoy these sunny days that we are finally having in North Carolina since it felt like we went through 40 days of rain. But I sure have been in such a better mood that the sun is shining and the days are a little bit warmer, even though I know that this is a tease and we'll probably have snow in a couple of weeks because that's how it works here in North Carolina. But I just wanted to pop on and wish you a happy spring break. I hope that you take some time to do something fun for 2 days, disconnect, take a breather, step away, enjoy the time away because you all deserve it. You all are doing great in all of my classes, and I am so very proud of each and every one of you. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to email me. At any time, I'll be happy to answer that email, happy to answer your questions so that you continue to be successful in this class. Again, happy spring break. Enjoy. Bye.